Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to tell you a tutorial on how to increase location accuracy on Poco C71. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know what location accuracy is, so yeah, basically location accuracy feature on the Google is used to estimate more accurate device location, which apps and services use to provide location-based feature. And how to increase your location accuracy is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, first now you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then scroll down and go to location. And then after that, now you can click on location services over here, and then go to location accuracy, and then you can turn it on so that the Google will improve your location accuracy and location based services and maintain Google service. Alright guys, so yeah, here the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.